Yankwa Santimante Mona, Ebeto Jasa Swame, Abaton Pesua so, and Mabuano Babo for no NDC, Amanyoko Nimu, Eddie Sembi to Tuja, Napoti for to say, a Yansama Emu Huna, Ebetu Midi Basabasayo, Aba Amanyoko Nimu, to a more years of Shenettia Quine, and you remember near Batch as a part in penny for Eddie Branton Akoma Posi for.
Wonfonyini bi ebeto abe fonten time so no wohunu owura ya wabone sobo ani din ene Razak Kawampa se wo hye NDC amanyoko enachi taifo kutupa se afimpinu ene edunu nan abato mu no wonfa basabasayo enyitumi emfi MPP amanyoko nensem enam so ma police for eden krata aboto montene so a wode betu dwase wowura yi wonom ehwehwe no ne senti enebukue party mpanyinfo a wonom eda NDC amanyoko nano e wasante mantem mu efi wompemu a wani amanyoko mabi ede owura yi ekoma Asante Mantem Police Command nanumu ena police foi ekire wonom se wonfa ne nkoso ntreso District Police Command esanse honom ena saa emfonyini owura no etwa no na bra owura ya wode saa subuo ya bono etro na no disem ewieye no ena wode offensive conduct subuo ebo no lawyer Evans Amankwa edin sembi etudwa
when the police issue their statement in relation to the arrest of our youth organizer for Swami constituency. Yesterday, we went to the police command, had a discussion with the police commander and told him that unfortunately, our youth organizer, Kwampa Razak Avolia, was not in town. And today, we will bring him to them. True to our words, today as counsel for Mr. Razak Kwampa, together with the national organizer of NDC, Honorable Joseph Yamin, the national deputy secretary, Mr. Mustafa Bandi, and all the national regional executives in Ashanti region, together we came.
Ninyinemu no NDC amanyoko no ede ato police for enemu se enam se wachire wonum enipa ninti no obi biara wono nso obeka nsem bisa no momodin ase wobechire no national organizer Joseph Yamin ede nsem sei ene tuja.
Given the legal aspect to this, we also give the political twist. We are not in any way going to be intimidated by the police and the arrest. You see us masked up here, we'll be coming any time the police takes an action. All we're expecting them to do is to extend equal measure to the MPP. They arrested, okay, we brought him because they intercepted a viral video. As I speak on my phone, I have 4 viral videos that will go viral any moment from now, from the MPP side.